Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see what is regular expression. So regular expression is an expression where we can embed this in any programming language. So we can say like it's a specialized programming language where we can use this in any programming language to specify the pattern. So where we can find the substring in a given string. Okay. So now let's try to implement this in Python programming language in natural language processing. Okay. So let's get into this. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. So let's see like what exactly the regular expressions are. So if you want a formal definition of regular expressions, so let's try to mention it here. So regular expression is an expression where we can use it in any programming language to specify the pattern which is used mainly to identify the substring in a given string. Okay, so this is the formal definition of a regular expression. So I have just mentioned it in my own language. So if you want the exact definition, you can just Google it. So let's try to Google it. Let's see what is regular expression. So here you can see like a regular expression is a sequence of characters that specifies a match pattern in a text. Okay, if you want, you can just copy this and you can just paste it here. Okay, let's mention this in comments. Okay, so now let's see like how exactly the regular expressions are used in NLP. So now let's try to import RE. RE is basically a regular expression. So whenever you want to use a regular expression in a Python programming language, so first you need to import regular expression. So now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, so now let's see how exactly it is used. So now what I will do is I will just type regular expression dot search, and where I am going to search, I will just mention it as India, and just make it as what I will do is like here I will mention it as India is one of the best country. Okay, so now what I will do is like I am going to search India. India is a substring, and where I am going to search India in the string, India is one of the best. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can see like regular expression match object. So where we can find India in the string, India is one of the best country, and the span is 0 to 5. So here you can see like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you can find India in the string, between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the basic example of a regular expression. So where we can find the substring in a string, and this is basically used to find the substring in a string, and this is the basic example of a regular expression. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.